I've had enough. Don't want to find myself in this situation anymore. This will be love. If it be love, this kind of thing, it no go stop at all. I know for sure. I will walk away from anything that messes with my peace of mind. You're not doing me no favors. If you not do, you gonna go. I say gonna go. Was it intentional? Yeah. But we growing apart. Was it intentional? Yeah. But we growing apart. You should let me